This message is intended for all employees of Secret Laboratory Felix and Game Company Toys Factory. At 7:15 local time, an unknown hostile force has appeared on the territory of Secret Laboratory Felix and Game Company. Employees must immediately begin emergency evacuation. Leave all personal belongings behind. Do not interact with hostile entities. If there is no way out, seek shelter in hard-to-reach areas. Remain silent. Do not look out the windows. Do not open the doors to anyone. Avoid eye contact with.